Today we are going to do a science experiment, that is microphone. That's a homemade recycle microphone. We need 4 paper cups to make 2 ones. We need 1 scissor, 1 thread and 4 choppers. See, these are the paper cups. These the scissors. Be careful with the scissors, okay? Take your help of your parents. Remember, don't give the scissors to kids. Why? Because they will cut their fingers. It will be problem to you. These are the chalk piece and thread. Now let's go to start. Take 1 paper cups, 2 paper cups and keep it aside. Take the scissor, close and keep a hole. Need a sharp scissors to make a hole. Stop. It will be scary to us. Oh my. When it's full, keep your hand and straight it, or else the microphone will not work. Take a piece of thread. This is the piece of thread and cut it. See, this is the piece of thread. Okay, this is enough, or you want bigger, you can take bigger thread. Now take 1 single chalk piece to roll it up. It is tough for us. That's why we are taking parents' help to tie it. Now don't use piece of thread. We need long thread. My sister and me are going to show. Sister, can you hold another edge? 1 second. See how much long it is. Oh my, that's not crazy. Hold it. See, this is very bigger, right? That's very nice. Come on, sister. Let's go back to our things. Now, you have one side, right? Keep it down. Take a chalk. And start with. You need to tie it 2 times. Tie the knot to inside. It's a bit tough for you. That's why you can take a bigger one. See? I did it. See? Now pull it to another edge. I put it in a chalk inside. Okay? Okay, another chalk. And now let's see. Oh my. Can you hold the chalk? See guys, in this we have a chalk, right? It's vibrating chalk. It's not a vibrating chalk. This is a normal chalk. Take the another side. Can you tie it for me? Why? Because I need to hold it. Oh my. Tie another edge. Yeah. Let's tie with the chalk, and when we pull the chalk, it will go down. We have to take the another edge to cut it down. See, I tie the knot. Now I am pulling. That's why it became like this. Let's go and talk. It will be easy for us. See, take the 1 cup. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Okay. Let's vibrate. No. Yeah. Stop. Kshetra, can you hear me? I can hear you. You can hear me? Yes. Guys, we can hear her. Now let's go to her. Okay? Kshetra? Kshetra, can you hear me? I'm in somewhere else. Can you listen my voice? Yes, I hear your voice. Say again. and we have to pull it tightly. Now, sister, can you hear me? No, sister, I can't. Okay. Sister, can you hear me? Sister, no, not like that. You need to put it like this. Okay, good. Good. No air to come. Now I will speak. You will speak. Correct. And you will speak. Okay. Sister, can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Sister, this is a vibration. Can you hear me in this vibration? Yes, I can hear you this vibration. Guys, this is the thread, right? How the vibration goes means, where we talk in one cup, it straightly goes into the thread and see, this vibration will come. Why? Because we can hear someone.
Sahashra, I have a question here.
Okay.
How the sound travels from this cup to that cup? Can
Why?
you explain?
Because this is the vibration of this cup. Okay, this is the thread, right? When we speak here, the vibration goes to that cup
Through?
through the thread, like this. We can't see the thread vibrating, but it will hear us. That's why sound will work.
Sound is traveling through the thread.